They sent this animal to space. What happened next? Absolutely wild. It's called an axolotl, a strange little salamander that can regrow its limbs, even parts of its brain. So NASA sent it to space. Could it still heal in zero gravity? Not only did it work, it may have worked better. No scars, no issues, just clean, perfect regeneration, like rewinding biology. But that's not even the craziest part. What scientists found next could change how we heal forever. If you think space axolotls are weird, wait until you see what else they discovered. Watch the full story. You won't believe how deep this goes.